What is up, you guys? Welcome to Strolling Around TV. My name is Daniel Nunez, aka What Up Sickly, and today we're checking out the top basketball movies from this list right here that we have.
Right.
There's a letter read.
So I did a lot of thinking last night, and there's something I'm pretty excited about. What's up?
It looks like sick,
Letter Ray!
legit.
Well, I feel like I might be ready to move on.
Like it reminds you of
get my life back on track.
certain players.
So, I'm going to ask Polly Prince on a date.
Oh, that's a mistake. She's not right for you, dude.
Like it looks like
Rain dance!
Hey, you guys want to play
That's
some
it.
twos? You know what? Actually, we're kind of in the middle of a conversation.
You
so-
douchebags bring your A game?
and he's talking smack.
What was that? I'm just messing with you, Sasquatch. Let's get it on. Take it roll! Take it roll!
He's serious. Like he's serious. He's serious. You guys, comment down below which one of your friends plays like that. Like,
White chocolate!
sick layups.
Old school!
Yeah, form, guys. How do I pause this?
T, come on. I'm burning. My lungs are burning. Come out. Come out.
So why do you think Polly's so wrong for me?
You don't even know this girl, Ruben. You haven't seen her since 7th grade.
How different could she be? I mean, she was a senior delegate at the Model UN. She was in the chess club. She was a mathlete. I mean, her yearbook stats are really impressive.
Did she have a tattoo on her back?
Yeah, so what?
Mathletes don't wear body art like that. Enough said. Ball in!
I really feel like I ran into Polly for a reason. Really. I mean, I'm sorry if you don't agree, Sandy, but I happen to believe in a little thing called destiny.
You guys ready?
You know what? Do you think maybe you could put your shirt back on?
You guys ready to play?
That's true, man. I hate playing games like things like that. Take your shit off, man.
Good shot.
Hey, can I have the ball for a second? Can I have the ball for a second?
Alright, guys, let's look up another scene.
Hey, you know what?
Still like,
Can we switch?
I'd rather not, dude. I just found out how to cover this man right here.
Come on, let's play.
ooh, backpedaling. Oh. Oh, man, I'm sorry.
Hey! You guys play here too?
Weird.
I was just out and about.
It's
Thought I'd
just
see if anybody
stalking
wanted to
him.
play some
I was just
round ball.
stalking you guys. But look what I
Great.
do.
We need another man. This is Chip Douglas, my cable guy.
We met about a week ago in a routine
Cable
installation.
guy.
I feel like I've known him my whole life.
Really?
Is that Ferris Bueller?
That's sweet.
And Jack Black.
Hey, Chip
Jack Black,
Douglas,
guys.
you're on my team. Let's play.
No way.
I think that's Ferris Bueller. That's why he ditched school to play basketball.
I'll switch teams.
Like
Let's just
me.
play.
Hold on, I gotta warm up. I don't want to pull a hammy.
As true. I'll warm up. Look at that. Only guy that warms up. Everybody else gets hurt. This is like Ace Ventura funny. Right here. Oh, oh, oh. I'm embarrassed. Like,
Let's get it on.
You any good?
Beat me under the boards, you'll find out.
Check it.
someone's passing in my house.
Looks good.
Okay, let's see what you got, White Shadow.
I think salami's open. That was a trouble!
Whatever you say, Chip.
Oh, I see. We're playing prison rules, huh?
Look at him. He's all dramatic and serious. Oh, sick ass scream. Oh, D. Oh, D. Oh, no, whoa. That is fun. It's like Pippen style basketball. No, not Pippen. What's his name? Rodman. That's Dennis Rodman right there. Jim Carrey as Dennis Rodman.
Feed me!
Who's that? Oh, he's seriously like. Space Jam. This is from Space Jam. Oh, he broke the rim. He broke the rim. That's awesome. Good classic. See right there. Real traumatized, but. Not sure how many of these I haven't seen. So we got a few. So maybe about, I say off the top of the, from looking at it, probably like 4 of these movies I haven't seen. But let's just start off with like this one, The Cookout. I've never seen it. I've never heard of it, and so I don't know if it's considered a basketball movie because it says The Cookout. Let's just put it on the not a basketball movie, or I haven't seen. Let's just put it on the haven't seen because I haven't seen it. Oh, Finding Forrester. Oh my god, I don't know if it's considered much of a basketball movie, but it's really inspirational. And it's more of a writing movie, if you ask me. But damn, but I do like the whole basketball game within the movie. Damn, it's hard. This one's tough. The acting is so legit too. Damn. Oh, I don't even know where to put it. It's tough right off the bat. Let's put it right there. Just because I do consider it a basketball movie sometimes. Glory Road. One of my favorite movies. Very inspirational. It gets me going. It gets me pumped. It gets me wanting to play ball again. Just because that scene where this guy comes off the bench. And it's like. Shows off all his skills, and then he's still off the bench, and then damn, so many scenes that I like with this movie. The trash can scene where they're shooting Kobe's. They don't call it Kobe, but they start playing inside basketball with the trash cans. There's everything about it. You can tell like it comes from great minds. Coach Carter, very inspirational. Has a message. If you know the message, just comment down below. I think that's a very lifelike movie, especially at the time it came out. It related to us, high school and all everything. Let's see. Samuel L. Jackson was legit. Like, he makes you believe he's Coach Carter. You know what I mean? Like, that is Coach Carter. I never even looked up the actual Coach Carter, but that's Coach Carter right there. That's what he looks like. Ooh. This one, what's it called? Celtics Pride, I believe it's called. This one's funny to me. It's hilarious. Dan Aykroyd. That's him, right? Dan Aykroyd. And then the basketball and the Damon Wayans. Legit. I mean, it's more funny than anything. I don't know if I should put it up here. We'll see. I'll keep moving some around. Ooh, Hoop Dreams, one of my favorite movies. This is a documentary, if anything, but it's like legit. But like having a dream and then reality hits you, and it's like it questions, do you really, is it really like your dream, or is it just a side quest kind of thing? You know what I mean? More like, not everybody makes it kind of reality. You know what I mean? Let's put. I've never seen The Way Back. I always want to watch this one, so it's on my to watch list. And then let's keep going. Uncle Drew, that one's fire. But I feel like it could have been more fire, like more dope. So that one, let's put that one right here. Let's watch. I might move up here. I think I'm gonna move up there. Oh, I don't consider this one like basketball. It's a great story, but I get Passing Glory. I don't see it. No, maybe I have seen it. I don't recall, but let's put that one there. Oh, I used to watch this one all the time. Super hilarious. Oh, Sunset Park. If you're a true basketball fan, you've seen this movie, and it inspires you to play ball, but like the right way and tough. Oh, look at this one. This one, documentary with LeBron and his team. Great movie. I love documentaries like that. This one, I was not a fan, bro. Not a fan. I feel like it could have been better. The acting or something about it just threw me off. Air up there is a little bit better. It's like right up here with. I'll put it right here. Could have been way better. Eddie, even Eddie was better for me. But it's like right up there. It's like comedy, basketball, rounds. But this is like the true fan of basketball, and this is what it's all about right here. Being a fan of the game, and then having an opportunity to coach them, and then telling them what it is, how it is, true. I've never seen this one. Is this about basketball? I've never seen it. I know there's one with Adam Sandler, but I'm not sure if it's about basketball. Never really heard of it so much. This one's cool. What list is that? I'll leave it right there. Maybe a little bit above it. Let's see, a little bit above it. Oh, I messed with the screen. I can't really see because of my phone. This one, it makes fun of basketball, but it's dope. It's hilarious. I want maybe up here too with this one. Hurricane Season. I'm not a big fan of this movie, honestly. I've seen it, but it could have been a lot better. Like Mike, this one too. I feel like it could have been a lot better. It's funny though, but it could have been a lot better. Basketball Diaries is missing a lot of basketball. How do I put it? I think it should be an F. Honestly. Not sure what this one is. It looks like 1-on-1. I've never seen that one. I'm sorry. I haven't seen this one. I've seen Semi-Pro. It's hilarious. Rebound, I've seen. Could have been a lot better. Toronto, man, was hilarious. Put it up there with those. It's like the comedy of basketball right there. And Just Right. Just Right is dope. It's like a love story within basketball. And damn, but I don't know if I would put it with Sunset Park. Just keep it right there. Hoosiers is very inspirational too. I might be on a true story. I'm not sure how much of it, but it's really dramatic, really inspiring. It gets you going. I mean, you're pumped. You're hooked. You're hooked on that movie when you're watching it. Blue Chips. I'm not a big fan of Blue Chips. I've tried to watch it so many times that I just can't. Winning Season sounds familiar. Oh, for sure, top right there. Top tier. White Man Can't Jump. Psh. All the smack talking, all the going back and forth, scoring, all acting like a chump. I remember doing that one time. I went to South Lake Park and I dressed up with my hat backwards, looking like a straight chump, and then I got picked on that second team and I started scoring bank shots and everything. And the guy on the team, the leader, the captain, he was just staring at me like, you for real? You for real? He's all surprised. It's like, damn, I should have picked you. I was like, hey, man, you had the chance. This one, Thunderstruck, I feel like it missed a lot of basketball, honestly. Could have been a lot better. Oh, 6 Man. I love this movie. This one. If it doesn't make you cry, man, something's wrong with you. Damn, man. This one, too. The music, the soundtrack on this movie. And then just the animation and the plot and the acting from Michael Jordan and the fixing of Thibbit. Everything from that movie it's an animation movie, but it's so believable. I mean, Space Jam could have been a lot better, honestly. This one with LeBron, if they would have done it this way, the same way they did Space Jam, the music being dope and the animation in this movie was too much. It was just like we don't want that computer stuff, too much computer. He Got Game is too as dramatic. It's like dark and real. It's like, but it's really like it gets you want to practice hard. And it's like so relatable to a lot of people because I'm just speechless. You know what I mean, which one's this one? Wolves? I don't think I've seen that one. If someone knows about this movie, please comment down below. Let me know it's good. Oh, for sure, Love and Basketball. You gotta have love and basketball. You gotta have both, a mixture of both. You gotta be able to ball and then find someone that can ball like you and then play the game and then live the game and just breathe the game. Amazing. So much fun. We got the Winning Season. I don't think I've seen that. I'm sorry. Maybe I have, but I don't remember the name or the picture that's on here. But I see Kung Fu Dunk. Kung Fu Dunk is fun. But it could have been a lot better. Not sure what this one is. If you guys know, let me know. Fast Break. I might have seen it. There's a lot of movies I've seen, but not actually recognize these covers. Alright, guys, we got Air Bud. One of the great movies, Air Bud. And then we got 17 again. I'm not a fan of this one. A lot of you might be, but I'm not. And we got Above the Rim. Above the Rim could have been a lot better. Honestly, just like something. Oh, Sunset Park for me goes up here. Uncle Drew might even go up there. Damn, Finding Forrest, there's not more. Like, all these could have been a lot better. But those are my like top tier right here. Glory Road. What's my favorite scene in Glory Road? Damn, there's a lot of great scenes. Oh, when that guy gets his nose broken, comes back. Dope. Coach Carter, when Timo Cruz just starts saying what his deepest fears is. It's like, Mr. Miles, what's your deepest fear? Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate, is that we are powerful beyond measure, something like that. Hoop Dreams. Like, just watching these fools get older and just hoop, and then damn, just the fact that they don't go pro is crazy. But And then LeBron, watching him go through all the media and all that stuff from being a kid, and then you can see the difference in growth between him and all his teammates. These are all dope. Freaking Marlon in this movie is insane. The fact that he's in 2 basketball movies, Above the Rim and Six Man, iconic. Denzel, solid. Alright guys, there you have it. That was my top tier list from this list, and hope you enjoyed it. And if you want me to do more videos like that, let me know, please. Thank you. Bye. Peace.